Hello and welcome today as we make this holiday favorite, Eggnog Waffles. And to get things rolling, we're going to do 2 cups of flour, and then we're also going to do a teaspoon of baking soda. And we're just doing the basic waffle recipe today, but with a little bit of a twist. And here we add baking soda, salt, and sugar. Here we are mixing our wet ingredients. And the secret to the recipe is eggnog. We do 1 cup milk and 1 cup eggnog. Here we just add some melted butter. We didn't for this recipe, but you can also throw in a dash of cinnamon. That's where waffles are so fun, you can just add whatever you want to them. And now for your morning workout. Work it until it's a nice even consistency and it'll be a little bit airy as well. Here we use a waffle iron to get the desired squares. Exercise caution because it is hot. Wow, those first 2 waffles look pretty good too. Here we're doing the second round. Don't be afraid to get messy, have fun with it, and get creative with your own waffles. Hopefully this inspires you to make some waffles of your own. And exercise safety taking them out. Thank you for joining us on Pink Nose Chronicles. Like, subscribe for more content. Thank you again. Have a great day.